Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we are going to make one of my favorite street foods, crispy sesame chicken. So let's begin. Here we have 500 grams of chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. We are going to add some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and give it a mix. Then add 1 egg and mix to coat the chicken evenly. Then we add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix well until the chicken is coated with the batter. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You can mix it with your hands. We have a nice coating all over the chicken. Let's taste the salt and let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes and we are ready to fry the chicken. Heat the oil on a medium-high flame and let's check if the oil is ready. We see bubbles forming, so the oil is ready. Let's place our coated chicken into the pan one by one, leaving enough space between the chicken pieces. We will fry for approximately 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Today we are going for extra crispy, so we will be refrying the chicken. It's been 2 minutes. Let's turn over the chicken to the other side. Look at them turning nice golden brown. The other side is done as well. Let's remove the chicken from the pan and set them aside. Get ready to refry our chicken. Here we go. We are gonna put our fried chicken pieces back into our pan, and this time we are only going to fry it for 2 minutes and not 4 minutes like we did the first time. So our chicken have been fried the second time and they are now ready. Let's set them aside while we make our sauce. Add 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, 1/4 cup of chili sauce, half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of white vinegar or rice vinegar. You can also add brown sugar or honey, it is optional. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and mix everything together. Now heat the pan and add some oil. Then we'll add a lot of minced garlic. Give it a mix. We have a nice aroma. Cook until the raw flavor disappears and then add ginger. Then we will add dried red chilies and give it all a mix. Then add the sauce we just made. Now we will make a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. For the slurry, add half a cup of cornstarch to 2 cups of water. Give it a nice mix. You can also use potato starch instead of cornstarch. Now add the slurry slowly to our sauce while giving it a mix. Keep stirring until you can see that our sauce is thickening. Now we will add the whites of spring onions. I have split it and just add it to the sauce. And give it a mix. Now you can put your fried chicken into the sauce and give it all a nice mix. We have a beautiful color. It has cooked nicely and smells delicious. Now we are going to add spring greens. Now we'll sprinkle sesame seeds. Our sesame chicken is now ready to serve and enjoy. If you tried this recipe, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes just like these. Until next time, get spiced and thrive.